Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this lab is just recently updated and because of that it's not properly configured. So I request you please watch the video carefully, because if you make one single mistake in this lab, then you have to just simply restart the lab. You can't correct your mistake at that time. And one more thing guys, when you are watching this video, I will recommend you first of all just simply watch the step and then just simply pause the video, then continue your step, and once you're done with your step, then again continue with the video. If you follow this way, then you are able to complete this lab on your first step. So first of all, just simply log in with your credentials, and once you're done with that, just simply come back over here, click on the checkbox, and then click on agree and continue. Now in the description box of this video, I will share one GitHub link. Just simply click on that link, and then you are able to access this document. Now in this document, I include all the important points over there. So I request you please pay attention while completing this lab. So first of all, what you do, just simply copy this name carefully, and make sure that while copying any name, do not copy any extra space. So just simply copy like this, come back over here. Now just simply search over here like this way. Now just simply wait, and here you can see in the marketplace, open this thing, new tab. Again come back to the GitHub repo, and from here just simply copy this name carefully, copy like this, and as you can see I copied this extra space. Now let me just show you what will happen. If I just simply come back over here, and if I just simply search over here, and because of the extra space I was not able to find this API, so just simply remove this extra space over here, and here you can see this API. Now open this in new tab, and I will recommend you please open a tab in the way I'm opening. It will very helpful for you, and it will not cause any kind of trigger. Now just simply click over here, and then click on this enable. Now again just simply come back over here, and then click on this enable. Now just simply come back to the dashboard, and now here just simply search for the VM instance. Open this thing, new tab, and just simply come back over here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then click on this SH button over here. Now it will take a couple of seconds, so just simply wait for that. Okay, I get this kind of error. No need to worry. Again come back over here, and then click on this SH button over here. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then click on this authorize over here. Now just simply wait and establishing a connection. Meanwhile, just simply come back to the GitHub repo, scroll down. So we are done with all these points. Now make sure that you have to run each and every command from here till here. If you forget to run one single command, then you will not get a score on the task number 1. So just make sure that copy the first command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Then copy this second command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Then copy this third command, come back over here. Just simply wait for this command get execute, and just simply paste, hit enter. Now copy the fourth command. Now I request you please pay attention on the fourth command. Copy this command, come back over here. Now just paste and hit enter. Now once I run this command, as you can see I connected to the database, and make sure that you must connect it to database. Now again come back over here. So we are done with this PSQL. Now just simply copy this last 4 commands. So just simply copy this first command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Then copy this second command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Then copy this third command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. And then copy this last command, copy like this, come back over here, paste, hit enter, like this way. Now what you do, just simply scroll down, and from here just simply copy this first link, copy like this, come back over here. Now what you do, open a new tab, and just simply paste the link over here. Now copy this second link, copy this second link, open a new tab, and just paste over here. So first link for this website, and second link for the online notepad, and you have to use this notepad. Okay, do not use any other notepad. Now what you do, just simply come back to the GitHub repo, and from here you have to just simply copy this whole code. So just simply copy this like this way, so all code is copy. Now again come back over here, and come back to this website. Now just paste the code over here like this way. Now here you can see migration admin. So just simply copy this thing carefully, and make sure that you do not copy any extra space, and do not copy the semicolon as well. So just simply copy like this, and just paste over here at the place of find text. Now for the replace with, for that just simply come back to the lab instructions, and click on the task number 1. Scroll down a little bit, and from here you can see migration username. So just simply copy this name carefully, and make sure that there is no extra space while you are pasting a name over here like this way. As you can see, there is no extra space, and now this is the updated code. Okay, now just simply copy this code like this way, copy like this, and come back to the notepad. Now I request you please pay attention. First of all, just simply give couple of shift and enter over here like this way. Now just simply click over here and paste over here your code. So here you can see this is a code. Okay, Now what you do, you have to just simply copy like this way, where there is no extra spaces over here. As you can see, there is an extra space. So if you just simply try to copy all this command like this way, then you will get an error, and that is the issue with this lab. So now what you do, you have to just simply copy like this way. I request you please pay attention, because this is a very important part of this lab. So just simply copy like this, come back to the SSH and just paste and hit enter. And as you can see, we didn't get any kind of error. Now again come back to the notepad, then copy this single command, again come back to the SSH and paste, hit enter. Now again come back to the notepad, then copy this command, come back to the SSH and paste, hit enter, like this way. Now again come back to the notepad, and now from this grant, scroll down a little bit till here. Let me just scroll up till here. Make sure that you have to just simply copy like this way all this portion. Let me just zoom out so that you can understand all this portion. Okay, now what you do, let me just zoom in. Okay, so we have copy from here till here. Okay, copy like this way only, come back to the SSH and paste and hit enter, and make sure that your page must look like this. Now again come back to the notepad, scroll down a little bit and then copy this thing carefully, come back to the SSH and just paste over here. Now here you can see, before we connected to the order table, now we are connected to the database of the Postgres. Okay, now just come back over here and then copy this last code, and make sure that you copy each and every code. So just copy like this, come back to the SSH and just paste and hit enter, and it's done. Now just switch back to the second tab, and here what you do, you have to just search for the database migration over here, and just click over here, wait for a couple of seconds now. And then click on this create migration job, wait for a couple of seconds now. Now for the name, just type Qwiklabs over here like this way. Wait for a second, and here you can see source data engine, just simply choose the PostgreSQL, and for the destination table, just simply choose the Cloud SQL to PostgreSQL. Now here you can see destination region. For that what you do, come back to the lab instructions, scroll down a little bit, and from here you can see the region. For me the given region is US West 1, so I'm going to choose that. For it might be different, so you have to just simply choose accordingly which is present on your lab instruction page. So just simply come back over here, and from here just simply choose the US West 1. So this is my region, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, now just simply click over here, and from here just simply choose a continuous. Scroll down and then click on this save and continue. It will take a couple of seconds, so just simply wait for that. And it's done. Now just simply click over here and then click on this create a connection profile over here. Now for the profile name, again just simply give the same name which you just give previously, Qwiklabs. And now for the host name, come back to the virtual machine, and from here just simply copy this external IP, come back over here again and just paste over here like this way. Now for the username and password, come back over here, and from here you can see username. So just simply copy this username like this way, come back over here and just paste over here. Now for the password, just simply copy the password like this way, and make sure that you have to just simply copy the exclamation mark as well. So just copy like this, come back over here and just paste over here. Let me just show you the password. It must look like this, and as you can see there is no extra space. And from here you can see the region. For me the given region was US West 1, so it's already chosen over here. Now click on this create and wait for a couple of seconds. And now just simply click on this save and continue. Now just simply wait for a couple of seconds now. And I request you please pay attention on this task, because this is a very important task, and I know most of you guys going to make a mistake over here. Now here you can see destination instance ID. For that what you do, just simply scroll down. Now here you can see from the task number 1, point number 3, this destination ID. So just simply copy this destination ID like this way, come back over here and just simply replace with this. Now for the password, just simply copy this password like this way, and make sure that you do not copy any extra space. Now just simply show the password and make sure that there is no extra space. As you can see, no extra space. Now if we just simply come back to the lab instructions, and what they mention, for the database version it must be 13, and if I just simply click over here, as you can see I was not able to choose that version. So no need to worry, just simply choose the enterprises from here, and now if we just simply click over here and then click on this version 13, like this way, scroll down a little bit, and now from here just simply click on this checkbox for the private IP, scroll down a little bit, and then click on this allocate and connect. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, what we'll do, scroll down, and here you can see machine shape. So just simply choose a one CPU over here, and for the storage type it must be SSD, and for the storage capacity it must be 10 GB. Make sure that you have to make these three changes. Okay, once you're done with that, now just simply wait until this thing get connected over here. So just simply wait, and we will move forward with the next task again. And it's finally done. Now just simply cross verify all these three changes, and once you're done with that, then click on this create and continue. Now just simply click on this create destination and continue. Wait for a second, and now just simply click over here and then choose the VPC pairing over here. Now here you can see we are not able to click over here. The reason is behind that the point number 3 is still working. So now we have to just simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So just simply wait. And it's finally done. Now what you do, just simply click on this configure and continue like this way and wait for a couple of seconds. Now just simply click on this state job over here like this way. Now I request to please pay attention. If you get any kind of error over here, then just simply come back over here and just simply end the lab and again just simply restart the lab. You don't have to do anything because you can't configure and correct that error over here. So now just simply wait and let's see. So as you can see, I got a green tick over here, and once you get a green tick over here, then click on this create and start job, and then click on this create and start and wait for a couple of seconds over here. And it's finally done. Now just simply click on this name like this way. Now here you can see the status is starting. Now we have to just simply wait until this status show as running, and after that we will continue with the task number 3. And one more thing guys, when you done with the task number 3, you have to just simply come back to this tab and then click on this promote button over here. As you can see, now we are not able to click over here. So make sure that when you are done with the task number 3, you have to come back to this tab and then click on this promote button over here. Otherwise we can't move forward with the task number 4. So just simply make sure of that. Now just simply wait until this status show as a running. And it's finally done. As you can see, the status is showing as a running. Now what you do, just simply switch back to the third tab over here. Come back over here. Now here just simply search for the SQL over here. Now just simply click over here, wait for a couple of seconds. Now here you have to just simply click on this non-master ID. Just simply click on this like this way. Now I request you please pay attention. First of all, just simply click on this connection over here. Then click on this networking over here. Scroll down a little bit and then click on this add a network over here. Now for the network name, what you do, come back to the lab instructions and click on the task number 3. Scroll down a little bit and from the point number 1 you can see this name. So just simply copy this name like this way, come back over here and just simply paste over here. Now for the network, come back to the virtual machine and from here just simply copy this external IP. Copy like this, come back over here again and just simply paste over here like this way. Then click on this done and then click on this save. Now just simply wait. And as you can see, it's done. Now if I just simply click on this user and now just simply wait, as you can see, I am not able to click over here. The reason is behind that this progress in status. Now once it's complete, when we are able to complete over here. And it's done. Now just simply click on this add user account like this way, and now click on this cloud IAM over here like this way. And now for the principal, come back to the lab instructions and from the task number 3 point number 2, just simply copy this username. Copy like this, do not copy this last comma, just simply copy like this, come back over here, paste and then click on this add. Wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it's editing. Now just simply wait for this thing get complete. and it's done. Now please pay attention. First of all, just simply click on this overview over here, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see open cloud shell. You have to click over here, so just simply click over here, wait for a couple of seconds now, and then let me just minimize this and then click on this continue. Now just simply wait. Click on this, got it. Now here you can see one command is already created for us. The reason is behind that we have clicked on this open cloud shell over here, and because of that we are able to get this auto command. Now just simply hit enter button like this way and then click on this authorize over here. Now let me just maximize this. And here you can see is asking for the password. Now I request you please pay attention. Come back to the GitHub repo, scroll down a little bit, and for the task number 3, as you can see this password, so just simply copy this password like this way and just simply paste over here and hit enter button. Password is not visible for it, you have to just simply copy, paste and hit enter button, and as you can see now we are connected to database. Now please pay attention. First of all, just simply copy this command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Now again it's asking for the password, so again just simply copy the same password like this way, paste, hit enter. Now just simply wait and it's done. Now what you do, scroll down, now just simply copy this command, copy like this, and just simply come back to the your notepad. Now just simply remove all this command like this way. Now let me just increase the text size for you like this, and now just simply paste. Now here you can see table name and username. Now what you do, just simply come back to the lab instructions and scroll down. Now here you can see for me the given table name was user, so just simply copy this and just simply replace with this table name like this way, and for the username just simply copy this username like this way, come back over here and just simply replace over here like this way, and make sure that your command must look like this. Now copy both the commands, come back over here and just paste and hit enter. Now here you can see it's grant option, so we are done with this part. Now if we just simply scroll down and click on this check my progress, you will get a green tick on the task number 3 without any issue. Just simply wait and watch. And as you can see we got a green tick over here, and as I said, once we're done with the task number 3, what we have to do, we have to just simply come back to the database migration tab and just simply wait until we are able to click over here. So as you can see I was able to click on this promote option. If you are not able to click on this promote option, no need to worry, just simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you are able to click over here. Make sure that you have to click over here, otherwise you can't move forward with the task number 4. So just simply click over here and then click on this promote button over here. Now if we just simply come back to the SQL tab, and let me just close this out. Okay, now if I just simply scroll down, and if you can see I was not able to find the backup over here. Now if I just simply refresh the page, and as you can see I was able to find the backup over here. Now the reason is behind that we have to just simply click on this promote option, and because of that we are able to get a backup over here. But as you can see I was not able to click on this edit button. The reason is behind that this thing is in progress, so just simply wait until this thing get complete. And it's finally done. Now just simply click on this edit button over here like this way, and then click on this checkbox for enable point in time recovery like this way. Now here you can see day of logs. So for that, what you do, just simply scroll down to task number 4, and from the point number 2, as you can see, for me the given number is 5, so I'm going to make a changes accordingly. That for you the number might be different, so just simply make the changes which is present on your lab instruction page of the task number 4. Now just simply click on this save and just simply wait, and as you can see it's in progress, so just simply wait until this thing get complete. And it's finally done. Now I request you please pay attention, because from now onwards lab is little bit tricky. So first of all, just simply watch the video and after that complete your task. Now just simply activate your Cloud Shell. See what I have done. I already click on this activate Cloud Shell. I didn't click on this overview. Just simply activate your Cloud Shell like this way. Now what you do, just simply come back to the GitHub repo, scroll down a little bit, and from the task number 4, as you can see, this first command. So just simply copy this command, copy like this, and once your backup is created, and after that you have to just simply run this command, time recovery command. So just simply copy this and just simply paste over here like this way, and you will get a timestamp over here. So just simply copy this timestamp, copy like this, and just simply paste this timestamp over here like this way. Now what here do, just simply come back over here, then click on this overview over here. I'm again saying please pay attention. Once you get a timestamp, then only click on this overview, scroll down a little bit, and then click on this open Cloud Shell over here. And now once you click over here, you will get this command automatically. Now just hit enter like this way, and after a couple of seconds it will ask for the password, and for that password what you do, just simply scroll down, and from here just simply copy this password like this way, come back over here, and now just simply wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it's asking for the password. So just paste the password and hit enter like this way. Now here you can see we are connected to database. So we are done with this. Now copy this command, come back over here, paste, hit enter. Now again just simply copy this password, come back over here, paste, hit enter, and it's done. Now as you can see, now we are connected to order. Now just simply scroll down, and now I request you to please pay attention. Copy this command, paste over here, hit enter, and now as you can see, now we are in the Cloud Shell over here. Okay, and here you can see output like inserted one row. So now we are done with this thing. Now just simply copy this thing carefully, copy this command, come back over here, paste, hit enter like this way. Now just simply authorize yourself, wait for a couple of seconds, just simply click over here, click on this allow. Now just simply copy this token, come back to the, and just paste over here, and it's done. Once you get this kind of output, so we are done with that. Now just simply copy this command, copy this command, paste over here, export command. Now for the instance ID, make sure that you have to copy the instance ID. Do not copy any other part. Just simply copy this instance ID. Migrate Cloud SQL for the PostgreSQL instance ID. This one. So just simply copy like this way, come back over here, paste, hit enter like this way. Now again come back to the GitHub repo, and then copy this command, and just simply copy like this, and do not run this command. You have to just simply copy this command and paste on your notepad over here like this way. Now here you can see change timestamp. So just simply copy this timestamp over here and just simply replace with this, and make sure that there must be one single inverted comma over here. Now just simply copy this code, come back to your dashboard, and just simply paste over here. And as you can see, it's cloning. Now just wait for this thing get complete, and once it's done, we are done with this lab. And if you face any kind of error over here, that time I will tell you what you have to do. So just wait for a couple of minutes and let's see. And as you can see, I got this kind of error. So no need to worry about this error. If you just simply watch this error carefully, you can see it might take a longer to expect. Means if we just simply rerun this command again and again, and after a couple of minutes you will get a output. But you can do one thing. As you can see, this command in this explanation, just simply copy from here till here. Make sure that you have to just simply copy like this way, and now just simply run this command. Now this command is going to take a couple of minutes, and this command will not give any kind of error. And once this command executed properly, you are done with this lab. So just simply wait for a couple of more minutes and we will check the score. And as you can see, it's finally done. Now if we just simply come back to the lab instructions and click on the check my progress for each and every task, you will get a score without any issue. Just simply wait and watch. So as you can see, we are not getting a score on the task number 4. No need to worry. If I just scroll down and click on this check my progress, I will get a green tick over here without any issue. And the lab take time to update the score, so no need to worry about that. So just simply wait and watch. And as you can see, we got a green tick over here. Now just simply wait for a couple of seconds and the score will update for sure. And as you can see, it's done. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.